Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Coda views to organize, visualize, and interact with your data in smarter ways, making your docs easier to manage and more powerful than ever. Coda views allow you to display the same table in multiple ways without duplicating data. Start by opening your Coda doc and creating a table with your data like tasks, projects, or contacts. Click on plus new view and choose the type of view you want: table, board, calendar, Gantt, or list. Each view offers a unique way to visualize your data. For example, board view helps manage tasks by status, calendar view shows deadlines at a glance, and Gantt view is perfect for project timelines. After creating a view, you can filter, sort, and group data to focus on what matters. Filters allow you to show only relevant items like tasks due this week, while grouping can organize items by category, priority, or project. Sorting helps prioritize important tasks or deadlines. You can also apply conditional formatting to highlight key items automatically, making your views visually clear and actionable. Views are dynamic, so any changes in one view automatically update in all others. This means your team can collaborate efficiently, track progress in real time, and avoid duplicate data. Remember to experiment with multiple views, customize layouts, and use formulas across views to get the most out of your Coda doc. That's it for today. If this guide helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.